Come to DNL Performance, get yourself a drop kit.
You got long sleeves, gloves, eye protection.
Fuck no, Diego. You know we don't do that shit around here. We don't need that. Diego, we need eye protection.
Why? What happened?
Shit, it's just hot.
It is?
I'm 4x4, 4 feet tall, 4 feet wide. Told you it wasn't going.
Damn, boy. But that look badass though. The fucking rubber. It's big. Good morning, guys. So today's video, it's gonna be on Mona's truck. He already got his drop kit, and I think like 2 days ago. And me and Lois are gonna install it today. I think he already started. He started early. I'm barely heading over there. It's barely 9, and I think he's already taking it apart. And I'm about to do the flip kit, I think. But we'll see what he's done already once we get to his house. I guess we'll kind of show you guys how to install it and all that, and we'll see how it goes. Man, I was hoping you would be done by the time I got here.
I know you're gonna be talking shit. Can I tell you?
I was hoping you'd be done.
Why are you always talking shit? Why don't you just help?
I gotta go to the store.
Pues vete.
I'll be back. What time you'll be done? So I can come back at that time.
Like 5, 10 in the night.
Are you way?
Gotta take my time.
Damn. Alright, what have you done? 'Cause I don't even know. Just taking bolts out.
I flipped these.
Oh, you already flipped them?
Yeah, I flipped them.
Was it pretty easy?
Yeah, so far. Let me know if you need help.
Oh. Yep. And you're gonna get through this one.
Okay. That should be good. I guess you can try to pull it your way.
We're professional at this. I promise.
Okay. I'm gonna try to lift it.
Now we need another jack.
Hold on, wait.
I think I just farted. 1, 2, 3. Somehow I'm taking the lift ring. Gotta lift it up. Alright guys, update. Lois had to drink a Coke because he almost threw up.
Okay, my sugar went down.
We got the lift springs on the bottom now. So now what we have to do is just lift up the rear end and then put the lift springs on the hangers and then put the stuff that goes here. That'll be pretty much it. But before that, we gotta cut the bump stop. That's what we're gonna do right now. Sucks that they weld it all around and you gotta cut all of it. Like they should have just made it where like it's not welded, but like there's a nut in there and you can just unbolt it and then it comes off. Be a lot easier, but yeah, we're gonna cut it right now. Got the saw right here. Hopefully we don't lose an arm. What OSHA precautions are you taking? It was like none.
English?
It was like there ain't no OSHA around here.
No. Except for
you got long sleeves, gloves, eye protection.
Fuck no, Diego. You know we don't do that shit around here. We don't need that.
OSHA, you never heard of OSHA?
I'm sorry, I haven't.
That's, OSHA's like, they do like safety for companies.
For a company?
Yeah.
It's a DNL.
Like, you don't see the big ass sign right there?
DNL Performance or what?
Yeah. And drop kit.
She's like, come to DNL Performance, get yourself a drop kit.
that we do it the right way. Saw.
Get yourself a right way. Well, you see the leaf spring? We're gonna weld it. We need no drop kit. We fucking weld that.
So I need to bring my welder.
Yeah. JB weld.
Is it gonna hold?
It should. Brand new blade.
Damn, that bitch is gonna cut like nothing. How long do you think it's gonna take? You know you gotta cut around here, right? Too.
Well,
that bitch is welded all around.
They said you can just cut it like.
True. I'm gonna tell you what you don't need to do.
Oh, okay. It's cause.
See this? Don't poke a hole in it.
Oh shit. So I'll just go this way.
Yeah.
Say going this way. Okay, guys. Like Diego said, fucking, we don't need no eye protection. Fucking no gloves. Look at that. Fucking. No long sleeve. Fucking, we'll just fucking. So we're gonna cut it like right here. We try to cut it not like flat with the frame, but as flat as we can. So let's just do what we could do. You ready, Diego?
No, not really, but.
Diego, we need eye protection.
Why? What happened?
Shit, it's just hot.
It is.
Okay. There's no wires, right? Except for
yeah, brake line. I'll tell you when you get close to them. Oh, that is hot.
I told you.
Damn, why is it hot? Talking about going straight.
It started going like butter. I'm like, I'm hitting something wrong and shit.
Yeah, it cutting pretty good, but not straight.
It's cause look, I got my whole truckles.
Oh.
So I could have sworn she was going straight.
Just go this way. That way you can go straight. Do you need me to draw you a line so you can follow it?
Can you please?
There.
Got it. Shit look like a fucking crossword puzzle and shit. Okay,
Oh, you hit the gas tank a little bit.
oh shit. Just don't fill it up. Fill it halfway.
You can only fill it up half tank. That way it won't leak out.
That should be good, right?
I guess we'll find out.
So, I mean, if it starts hitting, you'll flatten it out. Oh, fuck, it's just hot. Oh.
Quit being a little bitch.
Diego, it was hot for you too.
Yeah, not gonna lie, it was hot.
Shit like gummy right here. Pretty cool.
Yeah, we got the angle bolts in. Can't really see, but now we're just gonna put that stuff there to line up the rear end and hold it.
Yes, sir.
Cause it's a little more back.
Yeah, I know.
Then the drive shafts gonna have to go in.
Yeah, it's gonna have to.
Just gotta put this little bracket through that little hole. You gonna do it with the gun?
Yes, sir. You know how fucking heavy this fucking impact is? La verga.
Look, you look like you're struggling.
It's because his impact's heavy.
That's why you should have got the Milwaukee one.
Dude, this was on a good sale on off-road. Motherfucker. Guys, don't fucking get in fucking Milwaukee. Some bullshit.
You mean Snap-on?
I mean fucking Snap-on. Hey, your turn on the other side.
Ah, fuck.
Let me see who's gonna struggle now.
Show you how it's done.
Oh, but show me.
Should brought my Milwaukee. Why you like everything heavy? Had a heavy ass car, heavy ass impact.
I'm heavy. Well, Diego, you know I like the heavy life. Here, little sneak peek. Here. Okay, Diego, what else we gonna do?
Just gotta put the shocks.
What kind of brand are they?
Street Performance Belt Tech.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Put the shocks. Put all the ABS connections back on and lower it down, and then tighten the shackles.
Yes, sir. Okay, Diego's gonna do that side, and I'm gonna do one side. Oh, just say we put the wheels on already.
Oh yeah, we're finished. if you can't tell, it's already low.
Yeah. Can you get that for me, please, Diego? Here we go.
Sir.
Ready?
Bueno, you're excited? Damn. Just leave it like that. Cali lean. Huh? Like it?
The rest of the fucking audio. Puro tacuachiendo cut.
Like it, Luis?
That's nice. You dropped it a lot. But you gotta put some tire stickers.
Even if it's not a truck, it's dropped.
Of course. But you gotta put some tire stickers. It's a puro tacuachiendo cut.
Alright, we're gonna go eat. Alright, we got the front on jack stands. We're just gonna start taking everything apart. What is it up front? Controllers?
Yeah, just control arms. It's some new style now.
It's like
I guess it's like more of a much easier way. And IHC suspension. All you gotta do is change the top control arms, lower control arms, and it comes with ball joints, lower ball joints. These new suspension, they make your wheels instead of camber in.
Yeah, they camber out.
They keep them straight out.
That way you don't have camber.
Yeah. Shout out to Trev Techniques getting their suspension in pretty quick, because they say they're supposed to last up to
a long time.
They said they were back order for like 2 months, 3 months, and Mono waited for
not long, like
2-3 weeks.
Yeah, like 3 weeks top. We're just gonna start taking it apart. Take the ball joint out, bottom, top. Take the whole spindle out, and then we can take out the strut. Just like bolts there. Bolt right here. Bolt right here. Like this. Disconnect the strut. You can probably leave it hanging on top, but just easy stuff. Alright guys, I got the bottom control arm. Sorry if you can barely hear me, but we got the fan on. But all it was the bottom ball joint, the strut bolts, the sway bar bolt. It's just one bolt, and then the 2 big bolts that go, one here and then the other one here, and that's pretty much it. And then to pop the ball joint out, all you gotta do is hit it right here. You guys can tell that we're hitting it. Lowe's got a cramp.
I got a cramp. I don't know if anybody ever had a cramp in their stomach. Yeah, she's like squeezing hard.
Yeah, we can't get this ball joint out.
I got it.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
One cramp later,
No.
ball joint's out. God damn, they're big.
Right.
God damn.
Yeah, those are the lower ones, right?
New ball joint.
As you can see how big this is. And
Compared to you.
I'm a pretty big guy. I mean, I'm 4x4, 4 feet tall, 4 feet wide.
Instructions.
We don't need that where we going.
No, we don't need it. Little tiny one.
Tiny.
It's okay.
This is for the driver's side. You can see it has a D.
Oh yeah. Does it come with new ball joint?
Yeah. It's
2? Okay. I was about to say, don't tell me we're gonna have to grind fucking rivets off.
No. It actually comes with 2 of them. These are you screw these on.
Yeah. We got the bottom control arm in. We got bottom bolt on. Those 2 bolts in already. We got the strut bolts tying already. We're not putting that one yet because if we do, it's gonna mess with the other side, and we haven't done the other side yet. All we gotta do is break the ball joint loose, take the 2 bolts out, and then it should come out, put the new one in, and it'll be that easy, right?
Hopefully we can get the bolt out with the fucking thing in.
Why did I have to put it that way? Why couldn't they put the nut inside?
I don't know.
So the bolt, you have to take it out of the way, but it might hit on the spring. We'll find out. We'll make it work. We got the stock controller mount. We got the new one. We're gonna put some anti-seize on it. And it was kind of hard getting the bolts out from like with the strut on the way. But you know, little hammering and stuff. We made it work.
We got it out.
Yeah, but we'll just put some anti-seize, put it back in here, put the bolts through, and then put the ball joint in here, tying it, clamp the brake hose back, and then tying these, and I think that'll be pretty much it. Oh, and then put this one back on, and then we'll do the other side. But we're done.
Yeah. Right now we're gonna go ahead and move everything out of the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and put the rims on, or tires on, and we're gonna lower it down, take the jack stands off.
Both sides are done. Everything bolted in. We're just gonna clean up and then put some tires on.
It's because it's lowered now.
Damn, low life, mono. No.
Told you it wasn't going.
Damn, boy.
Hold it. Back bar. Alright. Go back and forth.
Low life. Hey, he's gonna do the fucking.
Straighten the wheel. Yeah, they're like it's a little loose. They're out.
Yeah, cause he's gonna need his tie rods pushed in.
Yeah.
I had to do that mine. Damn, they're the small. But they look badass though. The fucking rubber. It's big.
Big as magnet.
I bet. I bet. Mono, are you happy? I busted ass for you. And I ain't get a pizza. I'm gonna let everybody know you owe me a pizza. Another Taquach is born.
2016.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As you guys saw, we lowered Mono's truck. It was pretty simple, but time consuming. All he needs now is just an alignment, and then it'll be good to go. And it was 4 sits for those who wants to know. But yeah guys, so that's it. It's lowered. We're done. It's 4 o'clock on a Sunday, so I'm gonna go home, shower, and then spend the rest of the day with the family. Probably the next video is gonna be getting more stuff done on the turbo truck on Dinoco, so stay tuned for that. I still got quite a few things to do. I'm still waiting on the timing cover. Once I get that, we can make more progress. Make sure to subscribe, help out the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.